Bonjour! Welcome to lesson number 13. Do you want to go to the market with me? Do you want to go to the marché? Let's discover some fruits today. Then there will be a little listening exercise for you, just a conversation between a vendor and a customer. Well, if you are new to my channel, you are watching French Action and my name is Jenny. Are you ready? Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti! Répétez après moi. Repeat after me. Des fraises. Des fraises. So here, because we have more than one, we're going to say des, and fraise will have an S as well. Des fraises. Des pêches. Des pêches. Des poires. Des poires. OI gives you the sound wa, pois, des poires. Des pommes. Des pommes. Des prunes. Des prunes. Des oranges. Be careful here. Have you noticed I have made a liaison, which means that I have linked the des, the S of the des, with the O of the orange, okay? And this gives you a Z sound because orange starts with a vowel, so it's consonant plus vowel. Des oranges. Des oranges. Des tomates. Des tomates. Des bananes. Des bananes. This is the little exercise I promised. Écoutez bien. Listen carefully. You have 3 questions. Question number 1. What does the customer want? Question number 2. What's the cost of the items? Question number 3. What's the total cost? Are you ready for this? C'est parti! Bonjour madame, regardez ces fraises bien rouges.
Donnez-moi 1 kilo de pommes, s'il vous plaît.
Oui, ce sera tout?
Non, je voudrais aussi une livre de prunes, s'il vous plaît.
D'accord, avec ceci.
Ce sera tout. C'est combien?
Alors, le kilo de pommes, 3,10 €. La livre de prunes, 1,80 €. Ça fait 4,90 €, s'il vous plaît.
Voilà 5 €.
Merci. Voici votre monnaie.
Merci. Au revoir.
Au revoir, madame, et bonne journée. So, let's go through the text together. So, the person says, bonjour, madame. Regardez ces fraises bien rouges. Regardez, look. Look at. Ces means these. Fraises, remember strawberries. Bien rouge. Nice and red. Regardez ces fraises bien rouges. So you have to imagine that the vendor is trying to sell I think it was a she, so she's trying to sell her strawberries, okay? But it's not the strawberries that the customer is going to buy, so be careful. Donnez-moi un kilo de pommes, s'il vous plaît. Donnez-moi, give me a kilo of apples. S'il vous plaît, please. Oui, ce sera tout? Yes. Would that be all? Or you could say anything else. The person says non. That's not all. Non. Je voudrais aussi une livre de prunes, s'il vous plaît. Je voudrais, you may remember that it means I would like. Aussi means also. Livre means a pound, so half a kilo of plums. So I would also like half a kilo of plums, please. D'accord. Okay. Avec ceci, anything else? So we have already answered question number 1. The customer wants a kilo of apples and a pound of plums. Okay, so that was question 1. Now for the second question, we are obviously talking about the costs. So it says here, ce sera tout. C'est combien? Remember, c'est combien? How much is it? Alors, so now you have to think that the vendor is going through the prices. Okay. Alors, le kilo de pommes, 3,10 €. So that is your price. That's the price of the kilo of apples. 3,10 €. La livre de prunes, 1,80 €. So the pound, you remember the pound of plums, 1,80 €. Ça fait, so ça fait is like saying the total is 4,90 €. 4,90 €. So the answer to question 3 is 4,90 €. Okay? So then the person says, voilà 5 €, here's 5 €. Merci, voici votre monnaie. Here's your change. Merci, au revoir. Au revoir, madame, et bonne journée. Bonne journée, I remind you that it means have a good day. Bonjour madame, regardez ces fraises bien rouges.
Donnez-moi un kilo de pommes, s'il vous plaît.
Oui, ce sera tout?
Non, je voudrais aussi une livre de prunes, s'il vous plaît.
D'accord, avec ceci.
Ce sera tout. C'est combien?
Alors, le kilo de pommes, 3,10 €. La livre de prunes, 1,80 €, ça fait 4,90 €, s'il vous plaît.
Voilà 5 €.
Merci. Voici votre monnaie.
Merci. Au revoir.
Au revoir, madame, et bonne journée. How was it? Did you manage to answer the 3 questions? Bravo if you did. Don't worry if you struggled. You just need to listen to the dialogue several times and you will get it eventually. We have come to the end of this video, and if you are with me, this suggests that you enjoyed it. So don't forget to like it, share it, and please leave a comment. I want to know how you're getting on. Some of you started with me from the beginning. So how are you doing? Please let me know. Until next week, au revoir.